clearly shows the confidence which investors have in the state of Telangana, especially in the life sciences and pharma sector. And I think with support of everybody, we'll be able to take Telangana ecosystem to the next level. And as you all know that Telangana is already life sciences and pharma capital of India.
This marks the beginning of Fabtech in Telangana, and we have been doing business in the south since a long time. This is our payback to the pharmaceutical and the life science industry here, and whatever Mr. Singh just mentioned, to reiterate and to reinforce the steps that you're taking in order to make India better in the world. Fabtech today aspires to be the largest clean room integrated player in India.